Disco bird!
Ah, what a beautiful day it is. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Have I ever told you that I was a disco bird?
What's a disco bird?
Well, it all started back in the 80s.
But don't you mean the 70s? That's when disco era was. Yeah, in the 70s. By the way, you're only 11 years old. Did I tell you that the year right now is 1982? It's 2013, Dumbo. Anyway, I'll just tell you my story. It all started back in 2009.
Flashback time, baby.
Back then, I used to be a dancer. I wasn't really a dancer like disco, like doing that, like that one specific dance. I just did a bunch of random dancing. I liked dancing back then. We had our own group, us Robins. We were called the Disco Robins, or Disco Birds. Anyway, here's a flashback of me. I recorded this, and I should probably stop talking because I'm wasting up so much time. Okay, here we go. Music, please. So wait, you were a dancer? Yep, I was a dancer. Hey, did I ever tell you that I invented Gangnam Style? No, that's not true. I did. See, it's a flashback. Come on, go watch it.
Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
No way you invented Gangnam Style. I did. I have proof. Look at the video date.
It says March 29th. Gangnam Style was like September, like last year. It's like so old, man. I invented it though. It was like a remake version. Show me the first version, 2009. Show me. Okay, I didn't invent Gangnam Style, but I was good at it. All right. Yeah, you still got some skill. You were better back then. Yep.
Oh well. Hey, wanna go get some ice cream?
Yes, I love some ice cream.
Ice cream away!
Ice cream style. Whoosh.
Wow.
Disco bird. Disco bird.
Did I tell you I also had an afro?